When it comes to sliding door credenzas, we have a huge range, anywhere from your 750 high to your 900 to an 800, 1600, or even a 2400 option, where we can put single tops, so it almost looks like a beautiful piece of joinery. The other things to notice with our sliding door credenza range is that it's modular in nature, so we can change the handles from white, black, or silver. You can add a planter box. We can even do combinations where you have sliding door credenza on one side and a lateral filing on the other. The reason why we recommend sliding door credenzas in an office is often where there is a walkway, such as this, that you don't want people needing to kind of open up a cupboard and step back, because obviously that can be an OH&S issue. A sliding door credenza is really great. It's really compact. You can grab what you need, close it, and you're obviously not disrupting the flow of the corridor.